Hello creators, welcome back to another Adobe Premiere Pro tutorial. In today's video, we are going to demystify the effect controls panel and we will learn how to use it like a pro. So let's get started. First thing first, make sure you have got your video clip selected on your timeline. Then head over to Effect Controls panel. Every video, audio, text or motion graphic have their values and properties. In Premiere Pro, you will see all the properties in Effect Control. If you don't see Effect Control in your Premiere Pro, go to Windows on top, scroll down and check Effect Control. In order to edit or change the setting of your file, first select the clip and make sure your playhead, this blue line, is also on the selected clip so that you can see the changes in real time. Now in Effect Control, you will see some options for your videos and some options for your audio if your video has audio attached to it. The first option on video category is motion. Click on the arrow here to see more. First option you will see is the position. You can change the position on x-axis as well as on the y-axis. Second, you can also change the scale of your clip. If you go down, you'll see another option says rotate. Using rotate option, you can rotate your clip clockwise as well as anti-clockwise. In motion category, you also see another option called anchor point, which by itself does nothing, but when you click on it, you will see a small circle in the middle of your screen. You can change the position of this circle. And now when you make changes to other properties or the other setting, this circle position is now becoming your anchor point. The next option is anti-flicker. It doesn't do much unless you have a flicker in your videos. The next category is opacity. Opacity helps you to change the visibility of the selected file. 100% means full visibility, and as you decrease the value, you will see whatever is below that layer. If I add a clip below, I can see how these two clips are blending. Speaking of blending, we also have another option called blend mode. It works only when there are two clips one over the other. You can play around to create any types of blending you want in your video. The next option is speed ramping. This controls the speed of your clip. By default, it is grayed out. In order to use it, you need to activate it from the timeline. To learn more about the speed remapping and the speed ramping of your video, please watch the video how to get slow motion and time-lapse effect on your video. The link is in the description. The second category in effect control is related to the audio. First, you can control the volume of your audio clip. You can adjust the channel volume left or right. And finally, panner allows you to pan audio from left to right. Keep in mind, all these settings are standard for all the clips. And you can also apply more effects from the effects panel. And then you can make changes to those effects right here in effect control. For example, I can apply lumetri color to adjust the color balance and color grading of my clip. All these settings also have this tiny stopwatch. This is called keyframing for animation. To use it, first click on the stopwatch to activate it. When it is blue, that means it's activated. Now remember one thing, every animation needs minimum of 2 points. One, a start point, one, an end point. So let's animate this clip and see how it works. So let's go to the first frame and change the position of this video here as a starting point. And now let's go 2 seconds forward and change its end point to be here. And there you have it, animation effect. You can apply this animation to any clip, text, motion graphic in your video. So my fellow creators, now you have mastered the effect control panel in Adobe Premiere Pro. As always, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more videos related to Adobe Premiere Pro tips, tricks, and updates. We'll see you very soon. Until then, my fellow creators, take care and keep creating.